What's poppin', y'all? It's your girl Team Stacy, and I'm back with another YouTube video. And if you're new to my channel, hello, and if returning subscriber, what's up? Okay guys, so as you guys can see, today we are doing a soft glam, a soft purple look. This look is so beautiful. It was so easy to achieve. It's just giving Bratz doll. I don't know if it's my hair, my lips, or the eyeshadow, or all the above, but this look was just giving Bratz. So if you're ready to see how I achieve this fire look, keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and take this facial toner and I'm just gonna wipe down my skin with that. This is in replacement of my Noxzema wipes. I don't have any more on me, so this is what's gonna work. This is just really nice to prep your skin before any makeup. Next up, I'm gonna take my Ultimate Brow Wiz, and this is from Wet n Wild. I almost forgot where it's from. I'm gonna go ahead and take that and just carve out my eyebrows and fill it in ever so lightly. Guys, if you guys need an in-depth tutorial on how I do my eyebrows, definitely check out my video. I have a video on that. If you are struggling in that area, you know I got you, girl. Okay, period. Y'all, my eyebrows was not giving twins, definitely cousins, not even sisters, but I'm gonna go ahead and carve my eyebrows out with the e.l.f. Camo concealer. This is the mattifying one. I typically like the hydrating one, but this is all I had on me today. So the end portion of my eyebrows, I carve it out with a light concealer, and in the beginner portion, I go ahead and just take my foundation. So it just gives a nice gradient effect, and it looks very, very natural this way. Also, I like to carve out the top of my eyebrows with foundation as well. I just feel like it looks really good on pictures, and it just blends into your foundation seamlessly because you know you're gonna apply foundation. So yeah. After we just carved out our brows, I'm gonna go ahead and just take a dense fluffy brush and literally do circular motions to just work this into the skin. As you guys see, my routine does change around sometimes. Sometimes I do my face completely first and then I'll work on brows and eyeshadow. I just bounce around to however I'm feeling. But now we're getting into skin prep. So I'm going to go ahead and just take this facial moisturizer. Guys, I do not know how to say it. First of all, I've been messing up my words all day, so I'm not even going to try to pronounce this moisturizer. But I really like it. I've been using it in instead of my Holy Hydration from e.l.f. So that says a lot because you guys know I was obsessed with it. After I moisturize my face, we're going to take the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer and we are just going to prime her up. You see how sticky that is? Once I push that in, we are ready for foundation. Today I'm going with my Bougie Girl foundation. This is the NARS Radiant foundation and I am in shade Tahoe. This color match was so flawless, guys. I literally just went to Ulta one day, looked for the foundation, put a few up to my chest, and I was like, yep, this is the one. And as you guys see, seamless, so raw. So I just smooth this into my face with my fingers, and then I'm just gonna take the Real Techniques brush and just push this into my skin. No dragging, no tugging, no pulling, just pushing. Push it into your skin, and that's how you're gonna give that soft glam, that soft airbrush look. Alrighty guys, so now I'm going back in with my e.l.f. concealer and I'm just going to conceal under my eyes today. As you guys know, I usually do the full shebang. I'll do my under eye, my forehead, the bridge of my nose, on top of my lip, and my chin. I just be concealing everywhere, but today I decided that it wasn't necessary. And that's the thing that kind of happens with makeup. You do not have to just follow every step to the T. However you're feeling, go for it, and 9 times out of 10 it's gonna come out flawless. So just do what you feel like doing that day. So today I just did my under eye. I blended it out very fast because this concealer dries down so quick, so fast, it's crazy. And right here I'm using my Paw Paw sponge. Love it. It's like $10 for like 8 sponges. You can't beat that. You get it on Amazon. I will link my Amazon storefront down below, and I have a beauty section, and you guys can just choose whatever you guys need in there. So what I'm doing here is I'm just setting my under eye. I'm taking my Mercier setting powder. This is their new one, as you guys saw. I forgot the name. I think it has like Ultra Talk or something like that. I don't know, girl. But this setting powder is super raw, so I'm just setting that. And I just also added, y'all, I cannot talk today. I added it to bake, okay? Y'all, just, I hope the video is self-explanatory because I'm struggling with my words. So I messed up here a little bit, and I don't want you guys to make the same mistake as me. I just went straight in with my bronzer, and you do not want to do that. You can, because right now I'm about to start praying that my makeup don't mess up, but when you just put a cream on your face like a foundation, you don't want to just throw on a powder and start blending it out, because that's when it starts getting a little messy. So if I actually went in with my cream contour and then my bronzer, it would have looked a little bit more clean and less messy, but it was still savable. So I really had to take my time and blend it out. After I blend it out, then I'll cut it and just make it look cleaner. But if you're going to be following my tutorials, I definitely want to tell you, go in with a cream contour or even a cream bronzer and then go in with the powders. You want to keep it in order, because that part is crazy, and if you're a beginner, it's going to be kind of hard to make it not look wild. Hopefully that makes sense, guys. I literally re-recorded this voiceover so many times because I'm struggling, and I'm still struggling. But I went ahead and took my Juvias Place blush. I love this blush. Every girl needs it in their kit. Every girl needs it. It's just so universal, and it's just so raw. So I took my concealer, put that on my eyelid, and now we are blending it out, and we are getting ready for the eyeshadow. This eyeshadow is so easy to achieve, girls. So freaking easy. So what I was saying here is you want to grab the bronzer that you already used to bronze up your face. If you didn't use bronzer, grab your contour. And I'm just using this as my transition shade. So as you guys see, I'm putting it directly in the front of my eyes and kind of working it into my eyebrows and then just blending it outward. So this is just a nice gradient transition, and it just kind of falls into the nose contour. It just looks so smooth. After that, I'm going to take my Zulu palette from Juvias Place, and I'm going to take that deep purple shade, and we're going to work this into the crease. And I'm really going to build up this intensity, but not too heavy, because I do want this look to still be soft. As you guys see, I'm just doing real big circular motions to help merge my transition shade and that purple in seamlessly. This look is perfect for birthdays, dates, even like bridesmaids. I feel like it's so awesome. So I'm using my Avani Gregg Morphe palette, and I took that purple shimmer shade, and I'm literally using my finger that's missing a nail to apply it. That shimmer is going to apply very well with the finger and not a brush. So whenever using shimmer shades, I like to use my finger. Then I took that glitter shade that was in the Avani palette, and I still use my finger to pop it in my inner corner, and that just tied the look together. So here I'm just taking a black eyeliner pencil. This is from Wet n Wild, nothing crazy, 99 cents. And I'm just putting that on my waterline. Then I'm going to take my MAC Studio Fix Press Powder. This is in C7, and I'm just going to dust away the powder that I was using to bake my face. Now, you want to dust after you smoke out your lash line, because you might have a little fallout. So do this step a little backwards. You want to apply that purple to your lash line, smoke it out just in case you get any fallout. Then you can go ahead and dust it away. So today's lashes is from the company Glam Goddess, and I'm using style Glam. Super cute lashes. I'm going to go ahead and use that. Then I'm taking the Zoe's QOQ, and this is a hypoallergenic lash glue. Guys, you guys know I've been struggling with my eyes lately. I've been getting styes back to back, eye infections. I don't know what's going on. So I've really been taking the initiative to try out more hypoallergenic things. So anytime I put lashes, I wipe them down with alcohol, and I'm trying out this glue. This glue went viral on TikTok. Zoe's awesome. I worked with her years ago. This video is not sponsored. I bought this with my own money, and I wasn't asked to review this, but I'm just trying it out to see how it works with my eyes. So far, so good, but honestly, I'm trying anything at this point because I cannot keep having these flare-ups. I gotta bring you guys the tutorials, and when my eye gets all messed up, I can't. But anyways, I'm lining my lips with the Nicka K's Coffee Brown Lip Liner, and yeah, we're just lining her. Big juicy, yeah, period. Then I'm going to go back in with the C7 from MAC Studio Fix and dust off the excess powder. As you guys saw, my bronzer was looking crazy, and now we just cleaned her up and it just looks so freaking good. And that's the power of a makeup girl. There's not a step that you can do that you can't come back from, period. So you guys don't know because my camera's not that good, but I really do have like little beauty marks, and sometimes I have like a little bit of freckles. So yeah, I bring that back, and this is the package that I got. I'm gonna do an in-depth review. This is some bomb lip glosses that was sent to me. Okay guys, get into it. I want you guys to look at this, and I want you guys to see which one's my favorite. 5 seconds. Which one do you think is my favorite? If you said this one, girl, you tell me that's not Team Stacy. I love me some glitter. Okay, so these are the 2 lip glosses that I'm using. I can't think of the names on the top of my head, so they will be listed down in the description box below. Y'all, I'm so tired. I'm slurring my words so bad. Oh my god. If you guys love me, just drop some hearts right now, because this is so hard for me. Like, I just can't talk. Drop a pink heart for me. Like, tell me you love me. Give me some love for doing this video right now, because I just keep re-recording and I keep messing up. Anyways, y'all, so this is what the lips is looking like. These lip glosses are so fire. I've reviewed them before. Bomb.com. Obsessed. Love them. Absolutely love them. Next up, what I'm going to do though is I'm going to go ahead and just highlight with the Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighters, and I just kind of mix like a little bit of all 3, and I just highlight my nose, I highlight my eyebrow bones, and then I also highlight my cheeks. Lastly, I'm going to take my Morphe continuous setting spray, and I'm just going to drown myself in this spray. Then I'm going to take my fan from Amazon, which is also in my Amazon storefront. Everybody loves this fan when I use it, but I'm just going to go ahead and dry this down. This look is so freaking cute. Guys, let me know if you guys think this was easy, because I think this was just so easy to achieve, and it's just so freaking cute, and it's so soft. So this is what the look is looking like when I'm all dolled up. Hair is down. This hair is so gorgeous. I do have a review on this hair if you're interested in this unit. But look at this eyeshadow, guys. This was just so raw, so pretty, so soft, just gorgeous, guys, gorgeous. I would love for you guys to recreate this look. If you do, definitely comment down below. Today's secret emoji is this. Make sure you guys comment that down below so I know you guys watch all the way through. Subscribe to my channel, join the team, and just do it like Nike. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.